What's going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy Tony2times, and we back with another video, man. We gonna talk about that boy Bizzy Bone, you feel me, the Migos and 21 Savage. They got a situation going on where as though the Migos basically was like they the best group that ever came out, and Bone ain't like that, so you know they came and was like, y'all tweaking, you feel me? We the best group, you know, egos clashed and all that. But man, that boy Bizzy Bone real heated about the situation. He went live where he basically had a shotgun kind of musket in his hand, basically telling them he ain't playing, saying leave me alone, like I'm y'all OG, I'm unk, I ain't bothering nobody, but y'all coming over here messing with me. 21 Savage, you know he gonna make fun of the situation, so he saying like, why you so mad, this, that, and the third. And it's a lot going on because the other Bone members even stepped in, you feel me? So now you got Lazy Bones saying he want to fight 21 Savage. It's a lot going on, man. And one thing about Bone, they definitely got hit records. So it ain't like they no slouches, you feel me? People still listen to First of the Month, Crossroads, songs like that. Them classics, they'll never die. So if I was them, I wouldn't even trip. And man, I really wish the younger guys and the older guys can get it together and get money together, because at the end of the day, they can both learn something from each other. The younger guys can learn a lot from the older guys, and the older guys can learn a lot from the younger guys as far as Instagram, what's going on with sales nowadays. Because these dudes hot right now. Everybody got their time, you feel me? And when your time up, you got to be cool with that, you feel me? But egos going to clash. Everybody got the right to their opinion to see who the best or feel like who they want to be the best. But y'all got to see this live, man. It's crazy. The police pulled up at the end and all that. But if you new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell for uploads. Family, y'all already know what it is. We want to erase the 1K. We right there. We close to it, man. So be sure to share these videos. Send your people over here. Everybody welcome. Check out the links in the description. Watch the full video.
You think I'm
Love,
playing
man.
with you, nigga, don't you? Blow your motherfucking head off, nigga. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Who the fuck you think you talking to? Nigga? You ain't the only nigga with guns. I got put this up here. Real niggas ain't tripping on niggas. Nigga, I stay woke. And I'm always here. Nigga. Uncle BB. Ain't playing. I'm chilling. Don't come over here with your shit. Don't come over here with your shit. Just as long as we all know, leave Uncle Brian alone. Uncle Brian minds his business. Don't come over here. Nigga, I will jump out this house and unload so many bullets on you, nigga. Nigga, I just want you to understand that. Don't come over here, nigga. Nigga, I will fuck you up. Y'all see my shit. I destroy you niggas. Just as long as you niggas just back up off me. Well, we ready. Dude, I'll pull out so many guns. So we good? Nigga, we good? We good? We good, nigga? We good? Test me, I'll fuck you up, nigga. We good? I'll fuck you up, nigga. We good? I'll fuck you up, my nigga. Whoever. Lord, nigga. We 7, nigga. I fuck you up, nigga. Nigga, we war babies too. We war babies too. Fuck you up, my niggas. We rocking?
The police is at the door.